I'm going to show you the easiest way to add somebody as a page admin if you are running advert in 2026. This is a step-by-step process that will help you add somebody as an admin on your Facebook page. Let's go into the training.
So if you want to make someone an admin on your Facebook page, all you need to do is to come to your Facebook profile. So when you open your Facebook profile, you have to be on a professional mode on that page. First of all, you have to select that particular page. You see that there is a lot of pages here, but you select that particular page that you want to make someone an admin. For me, I've selected this green coffee tea. So you go to professional mode. When you are in the professional mode, you are going to see this page access. Okay, some interface might not show it to you here, it might be around here, but just find a way around page access. You click on page access, and it is easy to do when you're already friend with that account. So if, for instance, your client want to make you an admin, you want to send a friend request to that client so that the Facebook account of the client and the one you are using will be friends. If that is the case, then it is just easy for you to do. So you click on add new here and click on next. And for this example, I'm going to just use one of my Facebook profile, which is this first one, Umusama. So when I click on it, I'll click on give access, and then they'll ask me to put my password of this account. Then I'll click on confirm. The next thing that will happen is they will send a request to that person. So the person has to go to the notification and accept that invitation request. So once she accepts it, then that person will be able to use your page and advertise for you using his own ad account. So this is exactly how to make someone an admin on your Facebook page. If you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.